All right, so after this lead has been called, as you can see here, they responded and you text them. Now you're going to adjust the status accordingly so you know what's going on with this buyer lead. Now there are several options here. There is wrong bad number, assuming we have the wrong information. They're not interested in this property. D and C, they've requested stop. If they're interested, we need to give them more information. If they didn't answer, you're going to go through the list 3 times. There is a called once, called twice, and a called thrice. After they have bought something, they're a confirmed buyer. If they're not an investor, we're going to mark that. If they're hedge funds, if they're a realtor, or they are a VIP buyer. Regardless of what status we mark, I'm going to go ahead and, for this purpose, we'll go ahead and do wrong bad number. We're going to save the lead so that status stays. If you don't hit save lead at the end of everything that you do, there's a good chance it will not save. So remember this step right here so you know what's going on in the future.